Long live! Long live! Roman script! Roman script! Roman script! Roman script! Roman script! We want Roman script! Roman script! Roman script! Roman script! Roman script! Long live! Long live! Long live! Long live! Long live! Long live! Long live!
Sunukam, Sunu Tripura Board, Tripura University, Roman script set kayo, TPSC was kayo, on a competitive exam rago. TSR Tlang Prubo, even in the TSR Niposo, Arabo Roman script use kayo. But sometimes look at double standard in the Tripura Board examination. I don't understand what is the reason. I'm Buzimaya. Can do some double standard look, katam standard look. Suru Bengali script kayo some use kayo on your Tripura TSR Tlang Pruka Roman script use kayo. Mizo subject no, Lusai subject, no Roman script by question paper print kay mano, and bon by tam allergy na zaka je kok borong ka borong use klaya Roman by Pali language, Tripura board bini official or boni Tripura boni order na kay Roman script use kayo. Mizo bo use kayo Roman script, but kok borong ni bagay tangi klay manya. Question apa no? Government borong disana nang lay immediately amon solve klay nang lay.
Parliament or ni assembly rogo ba hino orok like satan sanay.
Kok borok baino sai tong tabuk abono assembly kok borok baino sai tong kaham kok belai sung appreciate klai abono kintu all board examination no tangi borok Roman script no include klai ya abono disonara nangai je Roman script no use klai no kintu government kun policy kri je bangla no simi use klai ni bon kun policy kri ambagi request kayo government of Tripura immediately issue no solve klai di tambah ingke amoni issue solve klai ke student future belai ham yang nai tai Tripura wo kama anlote bo ngai an bagi amo immediately solve klai nang tambah ingke Roman script bai question paper set kama bor porimaya bangla bai bor poriman bai answer kam korimaya nge dictate klai ya borok they cannot be dictator
थानाय सालो लुखा जों मन्त्रि नेता मन्त्रि न फरां मिनिस्टार न फरां टिचार नि जे दर फरां टिचार माने अब न फरां बुजार फैने मिनिस्टार बासाय मा खानि वानसुम
बर बुजार टिचार टिचार या मा ताव बं पेपर त्रिपुरानि लुकुरक नुकनाय त्रिपुरा लुकुरन डिसाइड खालायनाय मिनिस्टार अफ टिचार या अपोजिशन लीडर तंसाबा जितेन्द्र चौधरी बखरसा कबरक सानाय बिंग इन अपोजिशन लीडर बखरं टिचार नांगौ ताबो ruling ni MLA tongo BJP ni MLA ro tojon kuthai pujak IPFT di minister tongo bormunam sukla tora nuwatia
angki sama kebeng sinai do orto bebo sinja boron nugui tongang man khorsa executive minister dingai noma sawkisa nongor demand to logical no tongo fiaba obo norok saiman tongo tongo kore norok kisa ma khonai permission sara no rally khai tongo police no ma khonai
ke borom gunang sukla tora nuwatia boni ni khorang ti saya being minister IPFT ronok sungna musungu boni demand to tong kri Kobra Roman script ini. I don't know if I am not given the rights to access my fundamental rights, and I don't know where it is written that we are not allowed to sit. We are very peaceful. See, you know, the regional party, we have been also telling them, there are parties from IPFT in the government, coalition government. We are asking, we have also asked Sukla Suranwati, want to tell him from here, message, clear message. Being a minister of the indigenous people, you must raise the issues in the assembly. They should make clear their stand on the issues of Roman script.
Are you upset with the people? Means the people who are with the public?
Pardon?
Are you upset with the leaders, indigenous leaders?
We are upset or not, the people will decide. It is the people who will decide whether they are upset or not with the leaders of the indigenous people who are representing the people in the assembly. We have been protesting, demanding for Roman script for more than, we have been advocating for more than 50 years for Roman script, for the language. And it's a matter of pride and identity for our people. We want to protect our culture, our identity, our language. So language is the main, language is most important in identity. So we have been protesting, we have been demanding, but the government officials till now they are not responding. We have not seen any development from the government. We have submitted our memorandum to the government many times. We have seek appointment from the Special Secretary Education Department from Mr. Ravel Kumar, but he's not willing to meet us. I don't know why. I've been calling them for more than 15 times, but they're not even responding. We have not seen any positive response from them. So that's why we are protesting. Until unless our issues were solved, until unless it is addressed and it is resolved, we'll keep on fighting for the rights of the indigenous people.
ये जो कॉकबोरो ये रेस नहीं हो रहा है, तो इसको आप कैसे देखते हैं?
See, the issue is, it is not only the responsibility of the indigenous leader, but it is the responsibility of the government of Tripura, whether it is indigenous or non-indigenous. Because to protect every culture, it is a duty of every citizen. So every citizen has it is their duty to protect the culture of every community. So the government is it's sole responsible for these issues. It is not only the present government, it is even the last government, ruling government, maybe it is from the communist time itself. They're playing with the students, they're playing with the language, they're playing with the identity, they're not resolving the issues till now. So it is the responsibility both the communities should protect the culture and identity of the indigenous people.
तो अभी आप लोग क्या चाहते हैं, ये रेस हो?
It must be raised in the assembly and solved immediately. आप लोग जानते हैं आज असेंबली है, तो आप लोग लास्ट टाइम में भी प्रोटेस्ट किया था सर्किट हाउस में. अभी तक वो लोग असेंबली में नहीं उठाया ये डिमांड के लिए, रोमन स्क्रिप्ट लिए मेन इशूज. तो इसलिए हम आज लोग वी नीड टू कम टू द गेट ऑफ द असेंबली टू शो आवर डिमांड टू द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ त्रिपुरा. दे मस्ट लिसन टू आवर वॉइस. इट इज अ मैटर ऑफ सेंटिमेंट, it is a matter of our identity, so we must protect our rights. So we want the ministers to listen to our voice and raise the issues of Roman script in the assembly. That's why we are here today in front of the assembly.
इससे पहले भी आप लोग प्रोटेस्ट किया था मगर उनको कुछ फायदा नहीं हुआ. अभी आप लोग क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, क्या?
I also don't understand what is the reason. Even the government officials are not willing to talk to us. We have submitted our letter to the Special Secretary Education Department for appointment, but he is not willing to meet. He is not willing to meet us. I don't know why. So it's a part of the failure of the government. They should have come for the dialogue with us, but no, we have not seen any steps taken from the part of the government on this matter. So we'll keep on protesting. We'll keep on demanding for our rights, no matter how long they can try to, stop us from our agenda. But we'll keep on fighting for the rights of the people, for the indigenous people.
Sir, there are
Previous exam rogun nugda kha TPSC ungthon ko bro department MA master degree ungthon आज गने question paper rogun nugo je Bangla te Roman kuni bene question nugo te answer hinge any choice pia batao board exam ni khetra hunke question no om heke khak jagi tong
Roman script. We want Roman script. Roman script. Roman script. Roman script. Long live. 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 Roman script.
My fundamental right is taken away. The authority is my fundamental right is taken away. Roman script. My language, my rights. My language, my rights. My language, my rights. It's my language, it's my right.